Welcome back everyone. I will do my withdrawal number 63 from this light platform elusdt.com. Like we see yesterday, I do my withdrawal number 62 and this is my channel Telegram everyone. This is the platform about BTC and elusdt platform. I will explain how to register in elusdt, the light platform in internet. When you want to register, put your email here and your password here, repeat the password and the password again and put the number, Telegram number, WhatsApp and click register. If you have account in this light platform, directly click login. You will log in directly to the platform. Like we see everyone, this is my account in this light platform and my active deposit 31 USDT everyone, and I have this number in my commission team. If you want to recharge from here, and if you want to withdraw from here, and if you want to know info about the rewards in the platform from here, and if you want to know investment plans for VIB from here, I'll explain about VIB in this slide platform. If you deposit from 10 USDT to this number, you will daily withdraw 6%, and if you deposit from this number to this number, you will daily withdraw 7%, and if you deposit from this number to this number, you will daily withdraw 8%. And all this VIB, there are VIB 10 with daily 55%. I'll explain how to recharge in this slide platform. When I recharge in this slide platform, copy this address and go to any wallet, Trust Wallet or Binance, and send the money to this address. After you send the money to this address, click recharge completed. Minimum deposit 10 USDT and in TRX 130. You can deposit with USDT or TRX everyone. I will go now to withdraw. You can withdraw with USDT or TRX. Minimum withdraw in USDT 0.6 USDT and in TRX, like we see everyone, 5 TRX. I will withdraw today with USDT everyone. I will put the amount here. Put the amount here and my address wallet TRC20 here and the password I click show now. Putting me. After I put all info, amount and the address wallet TRC20, my wallet and the password I click show now. The withdrawal successful everyone. This is my withdrawal number 63 from this light platform. Like we see everyone, this is my withdrawal today, number 63, and the withdrawal arrived directly to my wallet everyone. See my withdrawal record in this light platform everyone. See, a lot of money everyone. Just deposit and active your mining machine and withdraw every day and make your team if you want to earn commission team 22% everyone. See, a lot of withdraw everyone. Watch the first time and my withdrawal number 63 today. I will go to Trust Wallet and show you the money arrived to my wallet. Like we see everyone, this is my withdrawal. And see the time here and the amount and the time here. Arrive in 1 second everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all new and stable platforms like elusdt.com, and you will see the link register with details in the description of the video everyone. Put like and leave comment if you want to know info about the platform, or to learn about how to deposit in this light platform. Don't forget to deposit and start daily income with me everyone. It is light platform. Good luck.